Hello guys, in this video you will see most skilled workers doing their jobs perfectly. Skilled workers know the exact moves she needs to do her job efficiently. When you know the control of a machine perfectly, you can achieve any more. Once the flour is ready, this worker places a handful inside a strainer to make the vermicelli noodle. Sweet potato noodles are a type of glass noodle made from sweet potato starch. Even before placing the bag, this worker knows how to leave room for the next one. This way he keeps the balance and creates a perfect pie. Have you seen the filling training for a French classic lemon meringue pie? She is quick to make sure the production chain never stops. If you don't have the incredible skill of this worker, make sure to disassemble your outlets. Temperature for the things to start glowing in visible light is around 900 Fahrenheit. That means anything hotter than that you will see glow like glass that melts at over 2000 Fahrenheit. Here you have the perfect technique to pack 5 boxes together in a comfortable way. Depending on the demands of the client, contractors need to create to achieve the desired look. As the wall will be painted afterwards, it doesn't matter what color this worker uses on the plaster to cover all the holes on the dry bar. Cutting the loop makes these noodles easier to store, allowing smaller packs. After a glass cutter makes the perfect shape in the center, this worker needs to be careful to remove all the material without ruining the whole piece. Vinyl plank flooring is an excellent choice because it's waterproof, durable, and easy to clean. You can install vinyl plank flooring over concrete, hardwood tile, or existing vinyl flooring. However, mallets are used to place the material without damaging it. You need to be strong and have good coordination to unload something this heavy. You need to go slow and steady or you would break it. A grass trimmer can be the best option to cut the edge of your grass and leave a clean job. Polishing machines work with brushes and are designed to perform brushing, buffing, polishing, and finishing of any metal material. Shod horses need to be reshod every 4 to 6 weeks, irrespective of whether they have worn the shoes out or not. The hooves grow continuously, and when shod, the hoof cannot wear down. If the horse is only working intermittently, they do not need to be kept continuously shod. Incense is used in many cultures for essence in religious ceremonies or aromatherapy. The process of making incense sticks has its tricky parts to get the perfect result. 170 kg of orange zest is needed for regular chocolate production. Most of our tradition of trimming hedges comes from the French garden designs. Bamboo wood is an excellent choice for furniture. It is a tough and highly durable material with a unique finish. Look at this man. Zipping out a dead treetop is the best option in populated areas with building nearby. To keep your lawn healthy, don't remove more than 1/3 of the height at each moving. Removing more can affect healthy root growth, which means the lawn will need more water during warm, dry months. Sweden helicopters are smaller, lighter, and less sophisticated than their military counterparts. They are used in rescue missions and to retrieve cargo in difficult specifications. They can't land. A long line will be attached to the person or item while it flies above. The process of knife making begins with fogging. It is done by heating it to a very high temperature to make it malleable. It is finished by smoothing it and polishing it with blade finish. Knife handles are typically made of carbon fiber, stainless steel, and fiberglass laminate. To finish this turf installation, they add white turf to the finish line as it's more durable and resistant than paint.